Hey friends, when we own an e-commerce website, we need maximum number of sales and conversion on it. And especially if it is an e-commerce site, we have many options in terms of advanced upselling techniques that we can use directly at our portal to increase the sales and enhance the visitor experience. And in other videos, we discussed some great upselling techniques to increase the average order value at e-commerce store, and those are the frequently bought together, the checkout upsell, product add-on, double the order, and even sales countdown timer. So I am going to add all the links in the description of this video, and we used a very advanced WordPress plugin that is really a super advanced plugin that is called Upsell WP, and in this video we are going to use the same plugin for another upselling technique, that is uh, upsell pop-up feature at our WooCommerce website. So this plugin offers all great features. You can export the checkout upsells, product add-on frequently bought together, even thank you upsell, uh, the double the order options, cart upsells, cart add-on, post purchase upsells, and next order coupon. And we are going to discuss upsell pop-up in this video through this plugin. And if you are really serious about your the success of your e-commerce store, you should not miss this chance, because once you are using such great technique at your e-commerce website, you are certainly going to get a successful and high conversion website, e-commerce website, and it is definitely going to increase your revenue in many fold. Okay, so the multiply your sales with e-commerce upsell pop-up. This is the target, and this particular feature uh, offers features like the instant attractions, the custom pop-up offers, seamless user experience, and what we can get more on this. So we can create attractive discounts for immediate purchases. So this is one of the layouts that we can see with the pop-up and the trigger timely upsell pop-ups for increasing sales, and even the add product label, choose product suggestions method for relevancy, and we can even customize pop-ups templates for brands identity, and even there are many controls that we can handle. So I'm taking you to the back end of this great website, and it is using Shoptimizer WordPress theme, Shopkeeper WordPress theme, which is a very easy to use WordPress theme for e-commerce store. You can watch the specific video on the channel itself. So to the backend, I have already installed this advanced plugin, that is the the Upsell WP Pro. So this is an e-commerce upsell, cross-sell, and order bumps plugin, and it is really, you'll find this plugin really amazing when you are targeting an upselling technique at your e-commerce store. So as I said, you can watch the specific videos on the features that I'm link I have added in the video description. Now I'm going to create new campaign for pop-up upsell, and I'll go to the campaigns directly from here. However, the link is also here, so we can go to the campaigns, and I'll show you how quickly you can create a new campaign for pop-up. And we have already created some here. So now I'm going to create a new campaign, and since we are targeting the upsell pop-up, so we can simply choose this upsell pop-up, and it can show the relevant upsells and cross sales after a customer added an item to the cart or when clicking on proceed to checkout button. So just uh, a suitable area where we can show the pop-up. And now I'm going to create new campaign using this feature, and it is here, and we can start here. So we can name it upsell pop-up or whatever you want to name it. And the next option is triggers, so where we want to trigger the pop-up. So the first option is after product added to cart, and the second option is proceed to cart checkout button. So choose whatever you want. I'm choosing the after product added to cart, And next step is for products. If you are choosing the products and filtration options, choose the product suggestion method for the campaign. So you can either you use related products, use cross-sell products, upsell products, specific products. So if you are targeting a specific product, this is a very good choice. And use recommended engine as well. So we have discussed all these options in earlier videos. So I'm going with the use the related products for this setup and for this pop-up setting, and we can offer some discount like thing and no discount option, the percentage discount. If you want to offer a percentage discount, this is here, so you can add a percentage discount. And for the we have templates that we can choose or edit. So we can change the template, like there are templates that we can use, and by default this template has been selected, so it is good one. And further we have options to add conditions. So in case if you are willing to add conditions as well, so you can use condition, add condition option is here. So I'm not adding any condition, I'm just going with the basic things, and let us see how really it works and how amazing in the storefront. So I'm taking you to the storefront, and we'll go to the any product, like this is women's shop. Let us go to the women's shop. And here are some products, so we can go with this, and this is black large pants for women's store. And we have some additional things, like we have already implemented some upsell technique here, but here we are focusing on uh, pop-up. So when we are adding to cart, and here is the pop-up that we just created or implemented. So it is showing the related products, and since we have all the filtration options, we can go to the filtration and implement the selected products as well. So by default it is showing the very logical things here, and the visitor at the website can easily add the products here. So one is added, and randomly I'm adding these two. And once we go to the cart, view cart option is here, and two additional products has been added at its own. So like earlier was some products, and now the 10% discount offer with the pop-up is here. So it is available on the 10% discount. And similarly, we can increase the sale with the pop-up option just by showing the relevant products and with additional discount or any other offer. So it is really working fine, and you can use this technique. Pop-up techniques really pulls the attention, because pop-up is a very known and easy to use call to action that we can use at our websites, and pop-up really converts. So this can be a very good option in form of a upselling technique. So I believe this feature is again going to add value at your WooCommerce store, and you are going to use this. However, as we explored the multiple options with the plugin and the plugin, if you are focusing on the plugin or where you can get this plugin, so you can start the free version of the plugin, advanced WP, I mean the upsell WP option, and it is really an advanced upselling pop plugin that you can use. And if you are going with the pro one, so you can get a discounted offer that is available on official websites, and you can get the 20% discount with this coupon code. And if you are going with the bundle, you can get the premium WooCommerce marketing plugin to 10x your store sale, and you can use the code bundle 30 for getting the two great plugins that you can use for upselling at your WooCommerce store, like discount rules that cost $79, and upsell WP is also here for $69. So altogether you are going to get 30% discount, and you can grab this opportunity and get these two wonderful plugins just at the cost of $103. So you are going to save $45 in this with this promo offer. But yes, I'm not saying just go blindly. You can start using the free one, and you will get all the reason, you'll find all the reason to use the pro version of this plugin, because it is going to convert, it is going to maximize your sales, and you will cover the expenditure on the plugin in just few orders. So it is a good idea to go with the pro one. And in the next video, I'm going to show you some more techniques through which you can really enhance the sale at your WooCommerce store. And I'm sure you are going to use those features as well. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. And if you have any questions regarding this, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section, or even you can join the iCreate program live chat. See you. Thank you.